Choosing a classroom pet is a big decision. Some pets are friendly, some need special care, and some, well, let's just say they have very unique qualities. Let's grade some of the best classroom pets on their pet report cards. Fish. Friendliness, 2 out of 5. They don't love cuddles, but they sure look nice. Care level, 3 out of 5. Feed them and keep the tank clean. Fun factor, 3 out of 5. Watching them swim can be relaxing and cool. Messiness, 2 out of 5. Clean water equals happy fish. Final grade, B+. Guinea pig. Friendliness, 5 out of 5. They're super cuddly and love people. Care level, 3 out of 5. Needs fresh food, water, and a clean cage. Fun factor, 4 out of 5. Cute squeaks and fun to hold. Messiness, 3 out of 5. Cages need cleaning often. Final grade, A. Rabbit. Friendliness, 4 out of 5. Loves gentle pets. Care level, 4 out of 5. Needs exercise time and a healthy diet. Fun factor, 5 out of 5. Binkies, hops, and snuggles. Messiness, 4 out of 5. Litter training helps, but they need space. Final grade, A-. Hamster. Friendliness, 3 out of 5. Small and cute, but not always social. Care level, 3 out of 5. Needs fresh bedding and food. Fun factor, 4 out of 5. Watching them zoom around is awesome. Messiness, 3 out of 5. Can be stinky if not cleaned often. Final grade, B. Bearded dragon. Friendliness, 4 out of 5. They're gentle and easy to handle. Care level, 4 out of 5. Needs a heated tank and special food. Fun factor, 4 out of 5. Looks cool and fun to watch. Messiness, 3 out of 5. Cleaning the tank is important. Final grade, B+. Turtle. Friendliness, 3 out of 5. They like watching, not cuddling. Care level, 4 out of 5. Needs a special habitat. Fun factor, 3 out of 5. Slow and steady wins the race. Messiness, 4 out of 5. Tank cleaning takes effort. Final grade, B-. Frog. Friendliness, 2 out of 5. Better for watching, not touching. Care level, 3 out of 5. Some frogs barely need feeding. Fun factor, 3 out of 5. Fun to observe, but mostly at night. Messiness, 3 out of 5. Can carry bacteria, so hand washing is a must. Final grade, B-. Snail. Friendliness, 2 out of 5. They won't run away, that's for sure. Care level, 5 out of 5. Super easy, just give them some leaves. Fun factor, 2 out of 5. Not the most exciting pet, but cool to observe. Messiness, 3 out of 5. Tank stays pretty clean. Final grade, C+. Pet rock. Friendliness, 5 out of 5. Never bites, never hides, always happy. Care level, 5 out of 5. No food, no water, no mess. Fun factor, 4 out of 5. Decorate it, give it a name. Infinite possibilities. Messiness, 5 out of 5. Zero mess, ever. Final grade, A+. Every classroom is different, and so is every pet. Which one would you pick? Thanks for joining us. Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more videos.